Assalamu alaikum, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we are discuss about in a topic. The topic is the topic is inbox dollars. Inbox dollars research. Inbox dollars research. What is inbox dollars? Inbox dollars work with different market research companies that need consumers our members to voice their opinions on new products and services on the plan. What are inbox dollar used? Here for our members, so for consumers who do not have the ability to pick up gig work outside of their home. Inbox dollar is way for you to earn money, earn some extra cash from home. And if you are looking to pick up a gig like for delivery or shopping, you can sign up on Inbox Dollar and earn a cash sign up bonus from us too. Search. Does Inbox really pay you? Inbox Dollar is a legitimate way to make extra money online. It has been around for 20 years and the company says it's paid its member more than $80 million since 2000, like most survey sites. Inbox dollar looks a little overwhelming at first, but it's a pretty simple way to boost your bank account. Inbox dollar reviews 2023. Is it a legitimate way to make money? Who is eligible for inbox dollar? The screen they create an account to be eligible to post cash, receive cash, or to otherwise use any service platform. You must be at least 18-year-old or the page of majority in your state or province of residence, whichever is greater. How do I take service on inbox dollars? To start to start working on inbox dollars service, you will first need to sign up for an account on their websites. Once you are registered, you can begin completing service by logging into your account and checking for available service opportunities. How to start working on inbox dollars service and how much money can I search for how to take service on inbox dollars. Is inbox dollars legal? As a legitimate reward sites, inbox dollars offers multiple ways to earn money online, such as taking online surveys, watching videos, playing games, and shopping online. Inbox is inbox dollars legit and honest. Inbox dollars reviews search of inbox dollars legal. How to earn money on inbox dollar. Make sure you follow the step below to earn more cash in your account. Take all the profile surveys. Always take the best surveys first. Start watching inbox dollars videos. Complete cash offers. Make inbox dollars. Search your home page. Clip your coupons and purchase coupon. Throw inbox dollars. Check for paid email. Ways to earn more money with inbox dollars. Search for how to earn money on inbox dollars. How can I withdraw from inbox dollar? Ways to earn more money with inbox dollars. Search how to earn to make dollars and then click get rewarded. You might need to verify your account. We were not sent to code to your cell. How much can I make from inbox dollar a day? Inbox dollar videos offers cash for each video, so I know I am earning quickly. While my earnings vary from day to day, on average I will earn about $30, 0.60 a day from watching videos or rather listening to them while at the office. With this, we end our video and see you in our next video. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.